Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code text editor on AlmaLinux OS 9.6, but the process is same on AlmaLinux OS versions. So open the web browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. For AlmaLinux OS, we have to click on RPM or go to download. Then here also we have the same. So click on this .rpm package to download. See, wait a moment. See, download started and its size is 144 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then code, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing code version 1.100. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Now go to show applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, let me close this one. You can also open by just typing code in the terminal. Hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Ls, this file is not required anymore. So to clear the space, remove it. Rm code, give the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on AlmaLinux OS 9.6. As I told you, the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials.